If you're going somewhere where help cannot easily reach you, this might be the most important tool and add-on inside of onX Offroad. onX SOS is an optional safety subscription powered by Overwatch and Rescue. If you experience a serious emergency out in the field, it gives you direct access to a 24/7 crisis response center that coordinates your rescue from start to finish. And unlike many rescue memberships, there's no claims, deductibles, or surprise bills for eligible emergencies. To get started, all you have to do is open onX Offroad, tap Tools down on the bottom, and once you see that, you'll be able to tap SOS. Now, if you haven't already activated it, you'll be guided through setting up your subscription and creating your rescue profile. The most important part is if you ever have an emergency, simply navigate back to your tools inside of onX Offroad and tap Send SOS. It is important to not tap SOS unless you have an active emergency happening. onX will then open a pre-filled text message with your GPS coordinates and account information. Once you send it, Overwatch and Rescue begins coordinating your emergency response and stays with you throughout the rescue. Whether you're exploring forest lands, heading to a remote campsite, exploring public lands, or spending the weekend in the backcountry, onX SOS is there right inside of onX Offroad. onX SOS, hopefully you'll never need it, but having a plan can make all the difference.